Feels like fall. We actually tied the record low. I'll show you that in just a minute. What we haven't had in the month of October is a drop of rain at the airport. So when you look at the beginning of the month now through the entire day yesterday, no rain in OKC, which puts us at the top of the list for the driest start to October on record, unfortunately. And the latest drought monitor now shows 70% of Oklahoma is in drought, and the amount of red on the map, which is extreme drought, continues to grow all across the north, down to the south, the southwest, southeastern Oklahoma. It's really the South Oklahoma City metro and the northwest where you've had the most rain, and actually we'll have more rain chances in these areas, the panhandle in the northwest, coming up. We'll have some opportunities elsewhere, and we'll get to that. We need it for sure. But speaking of the low this morning, 33 in OKC, 34 in Kingfisher. The pink on the map signifies a light freeze, but 40s in western Oklahoma. That was it because your winds were up overnight. Officially in Oklahoma City, we made it to 33. The record for the date for October 17th was set back in 1976. And we tied it. We did not break it. We've got cloud cover moving into our panhandle. A lot of clouds and rain and snow out to our west in the Rockies, but crystal clear across the main body of the state. 45 is your 9 o'clock temperature. It's 50 in Guthrie, 46 in Chandler, 44 in Chickasha, 50 in Watonga, a lot of 50s in western Oklahoma, and the winds are increasing. As the sun gets higher in the sky, the winds will increase today. We're getting some 15-mile-an-hour gusts, 16, 17-mile-an-hour gusts across the metro, close to 20, even 30 out in the panhandle, and they will ramp up. So here's your planner for today. At 1 o'clock, 65, 67 by 2. We'll reach 69 for an afternoon high, but those winds will be 15 to 20, may have some gusts to 25 in the metro. They'll be higher in western Oklahoma. So a breezy day, upper 60s, low 70s, and your your highs today, 76 in Lawton, 77 in Alta, 76 in Woodward. Definitely gusty winds. So with the drought, the lack of rainfall for sure, gusty winds, low humidity today, the fire danger is moderate to high. It does include the metro, northern Oklahoma, western portions of the state. Please be careful. And we have so many counties under a burn ban where it's illegal to burn. In the next half hour, I'll show you that updated map. Kingfisher County is now included. There's the next storm system, and right now it's potent. It's a great system, but what will happen is as it comes across the Rockies, it pumps the brakes and stalls, and it kind of sits out west of Oklahoma all weekend. Sunday night into Monday, the main wave comes across. So we'll have snow going on in the mountains, by the way. May have a little snow in Denver. Not a winter storm, but winter storm in the mountains. We'll have rain chances heading into tomorrow. West of I-35, a chance for a few showers, isolated in nature. The bulk of the rain over the weekend comes through in waves in the panhandle. Great rains for the Oklahoma and Texas panhandle, but it kind of just moves to the north and does not make it into our western counties, at least not widespread, until we get into Sunday night. Tonight, 40s and 50s, cloud cover and a gusty wind, so temperatures not nearly as cold. We're definitely not breaking records tonight. Some 50s out to the west for lows. Highs for tomorrow in the 70s and 80s, above average. Winds not quite as strong, and temperatures are 70s and a mid-upper 70s it is. 70s for your Friday. Then the chance of rain comes in, 20% for tomorrow. So Friday rain chances, they're not great, but they're there in the west, highest chance in the panhandle. Then as we work our way into your Saturday, 70s and 80s is what we're expecting, with additional rain chances in the west, but mainly in the panhandle. Those chances do bump up to 60% as the system swings out overnight into Monday for Oklahoma.